as a follow-up from the last video I did on this oil and its effect on the VANOS. This car has been sitting for at least 2 weeks, something that would throw the car or the VANOS system into like a fit on pretty much any synthetic I'd tried before. So here we go, we're going to do a cold startup. Car's on a pretty steep incline after 2 weeks of sitting. There, gone. At idle, no VANOS buzz, and it's a cold motor, so I don't like to rev it, but just to give you a sense, none of that jar or can full of marbles, I think people often refer it to, sound that you typically get, and the car has been running incredibly smoothly. You can see the miles versus the miles going in. Still on the same oil, and I think about a year later, so it's holding up well over time as well. Hope you guys have a similar experience. Please let me know in the comments.